Do you like to hike? I am going to be talking about Rocky Mountain National Park and Alberta Falls hiking trail. It's a really easy in and out kind of a trail. Stay tuned for more information and really pretty video shots after the intro. Hey guys, okay, Jamie So with Mac and Bo Media here, and this is my very first video starting over on my channel. If you like this one or you find my information helpful, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell if you want to be updated on any videos that I create. All right, let's talk about hikes. If you like hiking, if you want something simple, if you've never been hiking, I think Alberta Falls would probably be good for you. But I've never been hiking before. It's okay. I'm gonna show you. It's really not hard. You're gonna love it. The only thing you have to watch out for is the high altitude. Definitely bring plenty of water. Definitely take breaks if you need them. You can pull over on the side, just take a quick 30 seconds, but just always be mindful of the high altitude because that is a real issue. And if you just came into town and you're not used to it, you're definitely gonna wanna let your body adjust to it. So you'll basically come in from Estes Park, that location. You'll go through the entrance, and to get down to Bear Lake Trailhead, you're going to take a left on Bear Lake Road. Ideally, you would like to go all the way down to the trailhead, but sometimes the parking is full. And in that event, you're going to just park at the park and ride right there, and you're going to take a shuttle. You'll go past a couple of other stops before you get down to the end to Bear Lake. But if you have any questions, just ask the bus driver and they'll let you know where you need to get off in order to get to Alberta Falls. that's Alberta Falls. I hope you enjoy this video. The next video, we are going to the same Bear Lake Trailhead, but we're gonna take a different trail where we're gonna see 3 lakes. The end lake is Emerald Lake, and it is beautiful. I can't even describe it. But anyway, until then, happy hiking.